it's a pity. You already have a wife, and you have a scandal in your life. My God, it's a pity. Would I right come on your gate? Tell us say me late, make you put me down flat and greet for the spot. Yo, officer! Wagwan! Salute. Never toothbrush, never floss. Which one you want? Which one? But just sorry say little family business I got broke up and all them something but I hope your wife can forgive you and all them something there. Because you see all the place dry. Right now rain fall for enough woman. Yes I place wet I yes I Yo, you did a very good job, officer. You never blow it. Blow what? You swipe clean. I mean, officer, big up your status. You don't want your real boss. Yeah.
This is a message to Officer Riley Front. You see if your wife no want you, me a make space down a yard for you. A matter of fact, me a put out the rasta man when me have tonight. Space a make down your fear so you can come. Now listen to a bagger man them we are run off them out. Actually for them tape no release yet. Enough of them do it. We woman love you. We should have hold hand and build a wall around you. Use a rear. No hurt yourself. You understand? Make your wife just say and see if me no come for you. You understand? You need to be protected and loved and cared for. You is very say brother when me see you go so. Me say all me do then girl. I mean I don't know about like a dead goat. Jesus. You give me shivers.